Good day, everyone, and today we are going to have a short discussion regarding the history of volleyball. And let's start.
Volleyball is one of the most popular sports in the world today, but how did it begin? In 1895, William G. Morgan, a physical education instructor, invented the game in the United States. He first called the game Mintonet, but later it was renamed volleyball because players volley the ball over a net. Volleyball was introduced in the Philippines in the early 1900s by American teachers. Filipinos helped develop new skills like the set and spike. In 1947, the Federation Internationale de Volleyball or FIVB was established to govern volleyball worldwide. In the Philippines, the Philippine Volleyball Federation or PVF manages and promotes the sport. A simple game to a global sport, volleyball continues to inspire millions around the world.